Poor credit, bad credit, no credit at all. USA Credit Repair is there for you today and there for you tomorrow. Here for you today.
I'm sure they're not perfect, but I heard that they're in the 90th percentile with success.
This is what right, and they'll give you a money back guarantee if they're not. So you got nothing to lose.
Exactly.
So, and what I've also been told is that they're here for you today.
Definitely.
And they will be there for you tomorrow.
That's what I heard.
Yeah,
just like your check.
That? Just like my check. It's here today and there tomorrow, and you never use it. But except they'll actually do something for you where this check won't.
Right.
All right, so if you got bad credit, poor credit, no credit, if you're not sure what your credit is, and a lot of people don't, call them up anyway. They'll do it for free.
Free consultation.
They'll do it for free. And the telephone number for USA Credit is 1-800-872-7177. That's 1-800-872-7177. They are a proud sponsor here at the USA Immigration Link, Law, Love, Tech Link, or whatever we're going to call this thing. 1-800-872-7177. Love, Law, Tech, and
Talk.
I don't know. But the number for USA Credit, which is most important, because they have a name that they stick with. Okay? And that number is 1-800-872-7177. That's 1-800-872-7177.
It's 1-800-USA-7177.
And then if you want to go check them out on the web, it's wefixbadcredit.com.
There you go.
All right? And that's USA Credit, our proud sponsors. Check them out. And
thank you so much for page 21.
All right, back to the show.
Back to the show with Brad Bernstein.
Carl,
what's up?
How you doing?
What's up?
Wagwan.
Listen, man, I got some problem here.
Yeah.
I went to the Philippines, and when I was coming back, they held me in secondary for about 2 hours, and the guy told me that I've been arrested back in, I think it's 95, in the park in the Canarsie Pier. That's the federal police. And they gave me... They took
Is that true? Were you arrested in 1995?
In the 90s. I think it's 95, 96.
Okay, so when you say they told you, it was like you were shocked, but you knew it. You knew.
No, I knew it. Yeah, I knew I was arrested. All right. So they took my fingerprint in a photograph, kept me there for 2 hours, gave me 3 tickets, and tell me to pay them. I don't have to go to court. But when I was coming from the Philippines, they held me in secondary, and the immigration guy told me that, you've been arrested back in the 90s, and go get my citizenship. That is just one incident. Now, 3 times after that, I was arrested by NYPD, but NYPD never came up in immigration when I was coming from the Philippines.
Let me make this suggestion to you. Don't travel to the Philippines again until you come see me. All right? Let me go through what I'm going to do. Is we're going to run your fingerprints through both. If we have to run through the FBI, the local state,
you're going to be
we're going to do the same background check that immigration's going to run on you, and we're going to see all your arrests that pop up, and we're going to make a determination: 1, if it's safe for you to continue to travel, and 2, if it's safe for you to become a citizen.
Right, I want to become a citizen.
All right, so hold on one second.
Then you're in the right.
You're in the right place.
Spot.
Hold on one second.
Just
hold on.
don't hang up like the lady this morning.
Like the lady this morning. Why am I repeating everything you're saying?
You're an echo.
I'm an echo.
Yeah.
I don't know. For some reason, when I say it, it sounds better to me. I don't know why. Maybe. I'm repeating everything. That's wrong with me today.
Maybe.
Nikki.
Yes.
Just making sure you're with us.
I am.
Okay.
1-800-529-5465. It's now 12:37
Eastern
Standard Time. Don't worry, Nikki.
No, it wasn't.
I got to be looking at the lights. Like a deer stuck in the headlights, right? Whenever you hang around with these guys, trust me.
Yes. Daily Woodchip likes Nikki.
I like him too.
Yes. They're having like this. I see this on Periscope.
I thought Daily Woodchip was a woman.
I don't know who Daily Woodchip is.
It's a picture of a guy.
It's a picture of a guy, but we don't know who he is. That's the beautiful thing about...
All right, answer this question. Do you know who Donald Trump is?
I do.
You do?
This orange dude in the White House who's very mean and angry and doesn't like immigrants and makes everybody's life very anxious and anxiety-filled. Yeah, I know the guy.
All right, no problem.
All right.
All right, I'm a green card holder. Okay.
Oh, we're going to social
June will be
media?
2 years. I have a permanent job making $34,000 a year. Can I file for my husband, and how long will it take if I could? And what are the requirements?
Of course you can.
Okay.
File an I-130 visa petition.
Just one question, Brad.
File an I-130
Just
visa
one
petition.
question.
Nobody likes to ask questions.
I received my immigrant visa from Jamaica. However, in the next 2 months will be my 2nd anniversary. If I wait till after my anniversary
we answered
trip,
that already. The answer is yes. Wait until after your 2nd year anniversary, then enter the United States.
When did you answer that? When?
Yesterday. That question was asked yesterday. If you enter the United States after your 2-year anniversary, you will be a lawful permanent resident, not a conditional resident. And that would be probably a smart thing to do.
Very nice. Thank you so much for answering that question from yesterday, which was posted again today.
Mm-hmm.
All right, no problem. Huh?
All right, Beverly.
Let's continue.
Beverly, let's continue with Beverly.
Beverly, how are you? And thank you for calling 1-800-LawLink. That's the number for the law offices of Spar and Bernstein.
Right.
Yes, please don't call for big of you and Brad. You know, do a great job.
Thank
Sister Bev, wagwan!
Thank you.
How did I know it was you, Sister Bev?
Yes,
You know
please,
Sister
love
Bev?
you,
Yes, I
love
know
you,
Sister
love
Bev.
you,
How do you know Sister
please,
Bev?
my baby, love you.
Sister Bev is a bio-lifer.
Yeah?
She's a credit repairer.
Oh, she's a
She's a
squeeze
Brad lover.
lady.
She's a squeeze lover.
She's a squeeze lover.
Yes.
A lover of all things squeeze.
A lover of all things.
Yes.
Yes. All right, Sister Bev, what's up?
Life credit and law firm, immigration.
Whoop, whoop. Boy, she must have had a lot of bio-life today, Sister Bev.
A lot.
She's had a lot of bio-life today.
Strength of a woman.
She has strength of she has a strength of more than
Strength
one
of a
woman
woman.
right now.
Yeah, she is energized.
She is energized, yes.
All right.
So, Sister Bev, what can we do to help you today, my dear?
Yeah.
We don't start to big enough. Always I listen to some of the work squeaky. I listen to your call, so I get you today, so I'm tall.
Okay.
Did anybody understand what she just said?
Yeah.
I did.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
All right.
So-
That one just went.
So you like Brad, huh?
I love Brad.
Thank you.
Yeah, squeeze me, love you.
Yeah,
thank
see,
you.
she has love for me, but she's got mad love for
got
you.
love for me.
She's got mad love for you. I got it now.
Oh,
I have
okay.
one person
Mad
that loves
love
me.
for you.
One
Loves
person
me, but
loves me.
mad love for Squeeze.
Thank you so much for loving me.
Is there a question in this conversation?
No.
No, she just wanted to call and say she loves you.
Thanks a lot for saying you love us.
Thank you very
all right?
much.
We'll talk soon.
I appreciate it.
All right.
Oh, she's the best.
Yes, Sister Bev.
Sister Bev.
All right.
that blush.
Daily Woodchip thinks she wants to marry you, Squeeze.
Oh, sure.
I'm sure she does. Right.
Listen,
And,
if I were somebody, I wouldn't marry me.
And
I'm crazy.
Okay.
No, I wouldn't marry me.
Right. And
I would date me, but I wouldn't marry me.
Lisa Zachary says Donald Trump doesn't like black people,
Uh,
but he likes the boxing promoter
Don King.
Don King.
Yeah.
Yeah. And he likes Kanye West. They seem to have had a private conversation.
Have you
And
guys-
Omarosa.
Oh, Omarosa he
He
likes
her.
too.
Yeah.
Have you guys seen the movie Get Out
what's that?
yet?
No.
Yes,
Yes.
I did.
They're in the sunken place. That's the only
Yes, they
Hey,
are.
let's get out.
They're in the second place.
What?
You got to see the movie.
I gotta see the
You
movie.
have to see
I
the
gotta
movie.
see it. All right.
Did you see Snowden? Let's continue the show. All right.
No, I'm sorry.
Anger face is coming across the screen
All
here.
right.
1-800-529-5465. Once again, let's just knock out some immigration questions.
Now,
Non-stop.
also, RJ says he likes Steve Harvey too.
Aw.
He doesn't like Snoop Dogg.
So
anymore.
then
Yeah.
that statement
Yeah.
is a false statement. He does like black people.
Th-
It's
very
just what
few.
percentage?
Like very few black people. All right. Wholeness.
Yes.
What's happening?
Yes, how are you?
What's going on?
Yeah, I'm a citizen 11 years now. And I have a domestic violence, accused of a domestic violence. The case was dismissed and I didn't pay no fine or nothing. And I want to know if it's okay for me to travel.
If he was dismissed, absolutely.
Yeah, it was dismissed and sealed.
Yeah. Yes, absolutely.
Okay,
Just make
so
sure
that's
it's
all I
dismissed
found
and sealed, and you got no problem.
out. Yeah, it's dismissed and
All right.
sealed.
Yeah. No, good. You have a green card. Go travel.
Oh, well, I'm a U.S. citizen.
Oh, even better.
Yeah, you're good to go, man.
Even with the conviction, you were good to go.
Okay.
All right.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
your trip.
Is there any truth
thank
to
you.
the notion that if your child was born in the U.S., he must travel to the States every year or else U.S. immigration would be searching for the child and the parents could be in trouble? Asks Andre Parchment.
No, there's no truth to that answer.
No truth to that, Andre.
Right. You're only in trouble if you abuse a child or abandon children and leave them in the street, or leave them in your house or beat them. Then Child Services is coming to look for you. But there's no law that says you can't take your child and live in another country with that child, and that child still maintains U.S. citizenship.
What's your stance on corporal punishment?
I'm against it.
Thank you. 'Cause
There's
I am too.
There's no reason for it. There's lots of ways to punish children without hitting them.
Thank you. Bust your ass.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah,
Caribbean's like-
SMG says I got proof that Squeeze is not telling the truth.
I was
right
on a plane coming from Jamaica, right?
now. Right.
And there was this kid on the plane. and the plane is filled with
and he's
people.
screaming.
This one kid is screaming.
And then
hold up, the plane's ready to
your,
take off.
your stance on corporal punishment was changing at that moment.
No.
Oh, okay.
You know, so everyone on the plane is looking at the mother.
Say
The
do
mother is
something.
looking at the child. The mother seems like she wants to do something to the child, but the mother is like, can't do it. Then everybody on the plane is like, boss him behind, boss him ass, boss him ass, boss it if him did blah blah blah.
No, you can't bust his behind.
Hold on, the plane not leave Jamaica yet. It's still upon Jamaica land.
Oh,
boss it. It's wrong.
It's wrong.
It's wrong.
Cultural relativism.
It's wrong.
In that culture, it's
Okay.
perfectly fine.
That's right.
No,
It
you don't
is.
bust his ass.
It was so funny though.
No, you don't do that.
But they didn't do it. But I
Obviously-
saw the look on the mother's face.
How old was the child? How old was the child?
Probably about like 8.
Definitely.
8 years old?
Yeah.
No, there's other ways to deal with that.
Like take away the iPhone.
My mom didn't know that while I was growing up.
Really?
Yeah,
I
unfortunately.
saw an interesting
Oh, I got
post the
some
other day.
some ass bussing.
You notice that you never see kids that do get beaten, well, not beaten, but disciplined when they're younger, running around doing dumb things when they're older. They're pretty good. They're pretty good. They stay in line. Disciplines them.
Well, it's against the law here. Let me just make that clear. Don't do it. Michael. Michael, what's up?
Good afternoon.
Oh, man. Yeah, you shouldn't be doing that, folks. All right. Yeah, good afternoon. What's your question for Brad Bernstein?
Yeah, I would like to make an appointment for sometime next month.
Yeah, sure. What day? Let me write this
But
down.
wait. First, I'd like to know what documents. I'm applying for my citizenship.
Uh-huh.
So I also want to find what documents I will need
Your
to
green
bring.
card, your passport,
Repeat that. Come again.
your green card,
Yes.
your social security card, your green
Social
card, your social security card, your passport that you used to travel since you've gotten your green card, and your taxes,
And you repeat that tax.
your tax returns.
Yeah.
Have you been arrested for any reason, Michael?
No.
Okay. So hold on 1 second. We'll make an appointment for you off the air. Hold on 1 second, okay?
All right. 1-800-529-5465. Just having a wonderful time
Lisa
here.
Zachary says, bust his ass. people want to...
Brad, if you grew up in the Caribbean,
You know.
I am
Your
positive
ass
that
would've been
9 out of 10 people that grew up in the Caribbean get a switching.
No,
That's a light way to put it.
Right.
It's a light way to put
I
it.
got my ass busted. Trust me, man. You don't want to know.
No, there's no switching going on here. All right.
Brad's got to look at his face
Right,
like,
because the only my pen
parents-
is because if you're doing some switching here in New York, the only one switching is you switching your place out of your home
You're
for a
switching
jail
to a
cell
different jail.
to a jail cell.
3 square meals a day.
That's right.
Watch television once.
Don't do that.
Don't do it.
Don't do that.
I agree with Brad, folks.
Yeah.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Don't do it. No, the other thing that with Caribbeans, I don't think Caribbeans say "I love you" to each other enough.
I agree.
You agree, right?
Yeah.
Like, you mean Caribbean Americans or Caribbean
No,
Caribbeans?
the original Caribbeans.
Yeah.
Yeah, they don't. They don't hug and they don't say "I love you" enough. Even to the kids and the kids to the parents. I don't see that happening.
There's like this front, because you know it's there.
They genuinely love each other, but they
do.
never say it. It's like
Because it makes you seem weak sometimes.
Cultural thing.
it's a cultural thing. Yeah. Like you won't find father saying to their son, "I love you, son."
I say that to my son every week.
I say that to my son all the time.
Yeah, I say it every
Oh,
week.
really? Yeah, all the time.
Are you his son? Am I missing something?
Surprise!
Surprise!
Voila!
Yeah. No,
And the DNA test reveals that,
and my kids say that to me too.
which is a good thing.
Yes.
You know.
Now they're teenagers now, so they won't give me a hug and kiss anymore. They're like
Yeah,
too
so
cool.
it
Yeah,
goes.
yeah,
They're
yeah,
cool,
yeah,
but
yeah,
as they get older,
yeah.
it'll come
yes,
back again.
Yes.
Yes.
People on Facebook are really agreeing with you.
See, I was
Yeah.
19 before my
Right.
daddy told me he loved me. Yet I knew it. Of course.
Dang.
That's just Caribbean people.
Right.
Especially Jamaicans.
Yeah. Well, how are you supposed to know? Just through osmosis?
I
Just the way they act to each other. Obviously you care for the person.
Yeah,
and, but
run a boat with them. You know what a boat is?
I know what a boat
Run a
is.
boat with your brethren them, so you love your brethren them, but you don't say you love your brethren
You
them.
run the house.
Nah, it
What?
means you cook.
You cook for them.
You all
So,
cook together.
so if you cook together, that means you love each other?
No, Brad, I'm just giving you
I don't understand what you're saying.
But you just
Bonding,
gotta
it's a
come to
form of
Jamaica.
bonding.
It's a form of bonding.
Form of bonding.
Yeah.
Got it.
How do you tell SMG you love him? You get to keep your job. Anyway, let's get back to another call.
Right, get back to work, moron. That's how I tell us.
Well, you know what, Brad? Your bark is worse than your bite, man. Everybody knows that.
Yes.
You are loved around here.
Nah, nobody loves me today.
I was the other day. This Brad said that he had to. He's like, man, I got so many people to see, but yet I promised the staff that I got to take him out, but I have all these clients to see. And I said, well, why don't you ask your staff to say, well, no. I promised them, so I got to do the right thing. And, I said, no, but the clients got it. He was like, no, I want to be loved, I'd rather be loved.
I want to be loved.
And I'm like,
it was well appreciated.
Yes. And it lasted one day, because Rosanna yelled at me today.
Yeah, it depends on which team you're on.
It lasted all of one day today.
Yeah. All right, so let's get back to immigration questions.
All right, Chantel.
Someone said sixth sense feeling.
Right.
Hello?
Hello there. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine, thank you.
How are you?
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
Okay, you're a New Yorker. You're an American.
Yeah.
Well,
No,
thanks for...
I was actually born in Jamaica, so...
You're born in Jamaica. What age did you come here?
Pardon?
What age did you come here?
16.
By the way, I'm just looking here on Periscope. Even on Periscope, they're saying, even like Young X5 says, I never heard that from my dad.
Okay.
A lot of people.
Your parents told you that they love you when you were younger?
Yes, they did a lot. Especially
Good.
my mom.
Beautiful. Okay. Did you get a switching when you were younger?
Numerous times.
See what I'm saying, Brad?
Brad does not
I
like
tell
this
Brad
topic.
certain things and he doesn't believe. Numerous times. I got it numerous times.
Do you know how many times I've hit my children in my life?
Zero.
Oh, my God.
I've yelled at them. I've called them idiots and morons.
That's why American children are so spoiled.
Maybe, because they are spoiled. My kids are very spoiled. You're right.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right.
So.
Anyway, Brad, my friend asked me to call, right? Yeah. She has been here from October on a visa. And she's planning on going home, I think, sometime next week. But she's, like, afraid. She was like, no, because they're going to take away her visa. I'm saying to her, no, because it's not like you have overstayed as yet. Maybe you can come back for a period of time, but I think you should still go.
She came on a visa? Has she overstayed her visa?
No, she has not. October 14th, she will, but